first half of morning meeting being recorded after second half because for whatever reason technology is not my friend today, and it keeps kicking me off and not saving and not posting, and now our weather isn't even coming up, it's just spinning. Let's see if our article's ready. We'll start at that. All right, so current event: shoes for autism awareness. A popular shoe company has new shoes. The company designed the shoes for Autism Awareness Month. April is Autism Awareness Month. The shoes are sensory friendly. The shoes have calming colors. And it's actually by the company Vans that is making these shoes. So super cool. All right. Oh, come on. All right. The shoes are blue, green, and gray. The shoes are comfortable. They look cool too. What shoes would you design? So if you could be a shoe designer, like what would you make your shoes look like? Of course, mine would have some pink in them, but you have to think about that. Maybe draw me a pair of shoes later. All right, our questions, maybe. All right, let's see if our weather's up. Oh, good. Nope, still spinning. There we go. All right, so today is Thursday, which means tomorrow is Friday. Yes, everyone loves Friday. And the month we know is April because yesterday was April Fool's Day. I hope you guys played some good jokes or pranks or something. You'll have to let me know. And if yesterday was April 1st, we know today must be April 2nd. Now the weather, guys. It has been beautiful and amazing out. Not so much today. Cloudy and overcast all day with some rain. So there's going to be clouds out there all day with rain randomly, they're saying. It is still warm, however. All right, so our morning meeting, totally backwards mess, but this was the end of part one since we already did the questions in part two. And yay for finally working and getting it all recorded. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will look forward to hearing from you guys. Let me know if you have any questions or if there's any